Serial number 40, serial number 17807 of 21, petitioner Dhiren Kumar, advocate of Mr. Bhola Kumar, advocate correspondent, Mr.
Your
A.
Lordship, the petitioner had offered his land to set up a integrated mushroom unit, which was approved in principle by the respondent State Horticulture Department. Thereafter, loan was also sanctioned under the scheme, and the petitioner gave his ancestral property as collateral. Before he could set up the industrial unit and commence production in the unit, Your Lordship, the particular land was notified for acquisition under the NH Act, Your Lordship, for widening of National Highway number 82. But that was in the year 2014. After that, he could not commence work, and his loan was turned into NPA, and the property was taken over by the bank. However, later in the year 2019, the National Highway Authority came out with another notification, and that particular land was released from the acquisition for widening of NH82, Your Lordship, resulting in huge loss to the petitioner, and that is why he is seeking compensation to the tune of rupees 4 crores for loss of his property, loss of profit, and.
My lord, I have filed the counter affidavit and receive, my lord, paragraph 11. Petitioner has not turned up and not given any information regarding the completion of the work, my lord.
Which work?
He is for the bank, Your Lordship.
आप नॉट बैंक हैं?
Dina state.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of bank.
हाँ, तो आप क्या हैं?
State.
पैराग्राफ आपका काउंटर कहाँ है? अभी नहीं आया है, मेरे रिकॉर्ड पर नहीं है। कोई कॉपी है क्या? फर्स्ट टाइम आया, लेकिन अगर काउंटर फाइल हो गया तो आना चाहिए।
One counter affidavit of record number 1 has been served upon us. That is bank, Your Lordship.
बैंक का क्या कहना है?
They are just saying it because the work could not commence. Therefore, they have taken steps on the surface here. No counter affidavit of NHAI.
It has been auctioned.
No, not auction, but they have taken symbolic possession of
Symbolic possession has been taken.
No, my lord. Matter has been settled, my lord.
Settled.
Between bank and petitioner.
अच्छा, क्या सेटलमेंट है?
तो जो भी क्या ग्रीवांसेज है हम जो पूरा कर चुके हैं।
Where is the settlement deed? If it has been settled, where is the settlement deed?
Instruction has been made on behalf of
No instruction without a counter affidavit. If the law officer of the central bank tells you that it has been settled, at least he should hand over the settlement deed to you to be produced in the court, even without affidavit. You should have come prepared with the photocopy of the settlement deed.
today first
हाँ, तो आप काउंटर एफिडेविट के लिए हम टाइम देंगे, लेकिन अपने लॉ ऑफिसर को कहिए कि फोन पर सिर्फ नहीं, कम से कम आपको व्हाट्सएप पर भेज देते तो आप प्रिंट आउट लेकर आज हमारे यहाँ आते ना। आप हाँ क्या बोल रहे थे? आप
काउंटर दिया है जो 2/9/22 को।
2/9/22 को। अरे आप लोग को कह रहे हैं कि काउंटर यहाँ फाइल किया कीजिए ना। क्या है देखें पैराग्राफ। आपका क्या नाम है? सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया।
लक्ष्मण लाल पांडे।
पैरा 11। सब कोई मिलके आप लोग इनको तो रोड पर ला दिए ना, इनको लोन दिए और साइक्लोन आप ले आए, और वो साइक्लोन खत्म हो गया तो इनके पास कुछ नहीं, कपड़ा पहन कर ये घूम रहे, मकान दुकान सब चला गया, और आप कहानी बना रहे हैं कि पैरा 11। आपने स्कीम कब कंप्लीट आपको था कि 3 महीना में कर देना था?
I've made a statement that work order was issued in the.
When was the work order issued?
On 18/11/2014.
And when was the acquisition made?
Acquisition was notified. And P5 18/2/2014, Lordship. So the work order was issued after the notification of the land, Lordship.
So you were not aware of the notification of the acquisition?
Because that was not in the alignment of the road, Your Lordship, and we were making constant communication with the NHAI that it was a wrongly notified piece of land for that particular acquisition. And later, after 5 years, they themselves.
Let them file counter. We'll hear. heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned counsel for the state, the learned counsel for the bank, and who appears for the Union of India? Dr. K.N. Singh, learned counsel for the State Union of India. All the parties are directed to file, all the parties except the state of Bihar are directed to file the counter affidavit.
इसमें रेस्पोंडेंट नंबर 12 की तरफ से काउंटर है।
हाँ तो 12 कौन है? आप ही 12। तो बैंक 16 है,
टीचर गलत है।
12 है डायरेक्टर हॉर्टिकल्चर।
फर्स्ट की पॉलिसी
हाँ
17.
ठीक है, क्या लिखे? All the parties are directed to file counter except respondent number 12. List this case in the 4th week of January. बैठकर सब लोगों के साथ आप बैंक के साथ सेटलमेंट अगर किए नहीं है तो कर लीजिए।
मेन डिमांड NHAI के साथ है
NHAI के साथ तो है, तो NHAI इधर डॉक्टर साहब को कहिएगा, दिस इज नॉट वन ऑफ द नॉर्मल केसेस। आप इनका जमीन एक्वायर कर लिए और बाद में फ्री कर दिए, और इनका तो आप इनका जो लॉस हुआ और इनका बैंक को जो देना पड़ेगा वो कौन देगा? गिव ए प्रॉपर काउंटर एफिडेविट।
अप्लाई।
चलिए नेक्स्ट।